What's going on, guys? Adam again, back with Atomic Garage, and today just a little short video. I just felt like making a video, and right now it's after work, but I'm going to work on these wheels that is going to be going on the BMW that I lifted. If you guys know that I like lifted vehicles, I just got something for lifted vehicles, and the BMW will not escape its fate. It will be lifted as well. I've already started lifting the front suspension, as you guys have already seen in the video. So now we're working on the wheels. I've cleaned everything up. I've used, what is this stuff right here? I've used some of this Hot Rims wheel and tire cleaner. I used it with a Chemical Guys hard brush. Used it with this brush right here and just really got after it. Used some Purple Power, some serious degreaser, and man, it cleaned up really well. Take a look at it. So as you can see, guys, like it's really clean. Now it was really dirty. Looks a whole lot better, but it's not perfect. One thing that I do not like about these wheels is the fact that it's got Plastidip on it, and I regret even Plastidipping the wheels that are on the car right there, but these are Plastidip. What can I do about it? So I looked on my Columbia Car Meet group and asked them what works the best to take these Plastidip off of the wheels. And I had a couple different options, and this is what it is. So the options that I had, guys, was just pressure wash it off, which you really need to pressure wash it. That's super strong, and I'm still using that green one down there. Does the job. It's not the strongest thing out, but it does the job. You can use paint remover, or you can use some brake cleaner. Now, the brake cleaner would probably work pretty good, but honestly, since the wheels are gonna have to be painted, I might as well go ahead and put this aircraft paint remover on. I gotta make sure I got a good filter and stuff, because this stuff stinks and it will get you higher than holy crap. So we're gonna take these wheels outside, set them up so we can go ahead and brush on this paint remover, and let's see how good it should work. Obviously, if it can remove paint, it should remove Plastidip, but let's see what happens. So the wheels are outside now. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is get this paint remover, put it in some kind of bowl or something, and use a brush and go ahead and brush them on. All right, well, it's old, but it should do, hopefully. The new one that I got, I still got to get filtered for it. It's my fault. Anyway, mixing cup and paint remover, pour it in there. We're going to go ahead and start painting it on. So I finally got it done, and it's definitely working. It's definitely coming out. Let me show you. Definitely peeling up. Still got the mask on, so sorry about the terrible sound quality. But that is how it was looking. Looking pretty good for the most part. I guess I could scrub it with a brush if I wanted to, but I kind of don't want to. What I'm probably gonna do is just give it a couple more minutes and hook up the pressure washer and just pressure wash it off, just blast it off. I think that's gonna be the best course of action. So here's the first pass on all the wheels. It doesn't look terrible, but I guess could be better at the same time. Either way, it's not too bad. I've been using, again, just my regular old Greenworks pressure washer. It's like, what, $89, $99 from Lowe's. Not enough pressure to really get at it. If I had a gas powered pressure washer, it would make quick work of this. But that's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the tip to a different, more broader one, and we'll see if we could finish spray the rest of this off. So as you can see, guys, it's actually darker than it looks, but the ISO is cranked up on my phone. Anyway, this is how this looks here. As you see, it could be better on this wheel. This wheel, for the most part, really good. This wheel as well, really good. 3 out of the 4 wheels, this thing turned out really well. And honestly, I think this is all a matter of perspective. Now you guys are saying perspective, how is this a perspective? Now, the one that I used, the paint thinner that I used, is from before I worked on the BMW. I can't even remember, but I had it a long time. And it wasn't as strong because it wasn't as smelly as before. And it was only half a can. So all that into consideration and still getting all of that, I'm pretty sure if I go to the parts store and get a brand new one, full can, full strength, crack it open for the first time, I'm pretty sure that it will strip everything off all at one time. But honestly, pretty happy with it. Well guys, that's gonna be it for me today. I got the wheels cleaned up best I could. I'm gonna let these dry, then I'll probably go ahead and hit it with some brake cleaner. And from there, that should finish, take off the rest. May hit it with like a super light nylon brush or something, just to finish scrub the rest of it away. Then I need to go ahead and prep it for paint. So that's gonna be it. That's all I'm doing today. It's after work, I'm tired, I'm ready to relax. If you guys like this video format, this is the less refined video quality. I'm trying to put out more content, smaller content, a little bit more consistently if possible. Don't know if it's gonna happen, but if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Tell me how I can improve, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.